Just 3 years after leaving Barcelona for PSG in August 2021, the greatest ever footballer Lionel Messi is all set to return to his beloved club in November 2024. The news will definitely excite Barca fans as they have been longing to see the Argentine world champion for a long time. As per a report by Spanish outlet Relevo, the Catalan club will be inviting the Barca legend and other past stars to commemorate the Spanish Giants' 125th anniversary. The event is scheduled to take place towards the end of November on the 29th. The club will be looking to give a fitting tribute to all the legends. Messi joined Barcelona's revered La Masia Academy at the age of 13, from where he went on to become one of the greatest players in the history of the game by smashing innumerable records in 17 years as a senior player for the club. Messi bagged 672 goals in 778 games along with a whopping 303 assists and won a total of 34 trophies. During his time with the Catalans, he developed a rivalry with the great Cristiano Ronaldo, who was then playing for Real Madrid. Both of them dominated the El Clasico match and pushed each other to the limit every time they locked horns with each other. Ronaldo left Spain in 2018 and then had spells at Juventus and Manchester United before finally moving to the Saudi Pro League to play for Al Nassr. Their rivalry during that time is considered as the greatest ever in football. After playing for Paris Saint-Germain PSG for 2 years, the Argentine moved to the Major League Soccer to play for David Beckham-owned Inter Miami CF in the US. From 2021 to 2024, Leo Messi bagged 4 back-to-back international trophies, including the prestigious FIFA World Cup in Qatar in 2022.
Extra time! Extra time!